As you begin sampling different protein powders, consider the impact of serving sizes and how they fit into your daily nutrition. Keeping a balanced intake of protein throughout the day can greatly aid in muscle recovery and energy levels. Don't hesitate to mix and match flavors. A chocolate and banana blend could create a delectable shake that satisfies your cravings while fostering muscle growth. As you continue on this flavorful exploration, it may also be beneficial to consider the timing of your protein intake. Consuming protein within 30 minutes post-workout can significantly enhance muscle synthesis, while incorporating it into meals throughout the day helps maintain steady energy levels. Moreover, if aiming to lose weight, pairing protein with a moderate calorie deficit can support your goals effectively. To further enhance your protein powder experience, think about how you can incorporate these supplements into your meals. For instance, adding protein powder to smoothies, baked goods, or oatmeal can provide a nutritious boost without compromising flavor. Experiment with different foods to find combinations that delight your palate. Furthermore, exploring the textures of various protein powders can lead to unique culinary creations. A creamy powder can work wonders in a smoothie bowl, while a grainier option might enrich your overnight oats. Understanding the versatility of these products can open up new avenues for meal planning and snacks. As you broaden your horizon on protein powders, remember the potential of combining them with other nutrient-rich ingredients. For instance, blending your protein powder with greens like spinach or kale can enhance the nutritional value of your shake without overwhelming the taste. Similarly, incorporating healthy fats such as nut butter or avocado can promote satiety and provide beneficial nutrients. When experimenting with combinations, aim for a balance that meets your taste preference while optimizing your nutrient intake. The cheerfulness of vibrant fruits paired with the richness of proteins can transform your meals into delightful culinary experiences. Striking this balance ensures that your protein journey remains enjoyable and fulfilling, aligning with both your dietary needs and your adventurous palate. Additionally, as you explore these combinations, it's important to listen to your body and adjust based on how you feel. Notice which flavors and textures leave you satisfied and energized, allowing your preferences to guide your choices. You might find that certain powders mix better with specific ingredients, enhancing your overall experience. Engaging with this process will not only ensure that your shakes are enjoyable, but also that they function effectively within your nutritional regime. While you experiment with these nutritious blends, keep in mind the significance of hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for optimal digestion and absorption of the protein you consume. To elevate your drinking experience, consider infusing your shakes with additional flavors, like a splash of almond milk or coconut water, which can add delightful nuances to your protein concoctions. As you refine your approach, remember to stay mindful of your body's response. It may take time to discover which combinations provide not just satisfaction, but also nourishment that aligns with your wellness goals. Over time, your choices will become second nature, leading you to a harmonious relationship with the protein sources essential for your journey. Always be open to adjusting your methods and recipes as you grow more familiar with what works best for you. Recognize that this progression is just as important as the end results, and enjoy every sip along the way. To maximize your experience, consider the convenience of storage and preparation as well. Opt for protein powders that come in practical packaging, easy to store, and with resealable pouches that maintain freshness. Investing in a quality shaker bottle or blender can make a significant difference in your mixing experience, ensuring a smooth consistency without lumps. Take the time to organize your protein supplies, setting aside designated space in your kitchen, making it easier to incorporate these powders into your daily routine. This thoughtful organization can enhance your overall efficiency and excitement in your protein journey, leading to consistent and satisfying results. Ultimately, the journey to finding your ideal protein powder should be filled with curiosity and enjoyment, leading you to discover the right choices that enhance your wellness. As you embrace this process, may you enjoy the delicious and nutritious benefits that accompany your explorations along the way. Happy blending, and here's to your health and satisfaction.